And look at that. Turn AI into consistent income. Look at this. There's our image. There's our Twitter link. This is just one prompt, guys. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect your PayMeGPT account with ChatGPT. Easy management of everything you could want to do. So first, we're going to sign in to PayMeGPT, and we're going to head on over to the settings page. Click integrations and click on the advanced integration section here. We're going to click MCP integration, and we just need to grab this URL. Let's click copy, and then we'll head on over to ChatGPT. We're going to click on the settings profile avatar and click settings, and we're going to go to apps. Here, we're going to click on advanced, and we're going to enable developer mode. Now we have the create app option. Click create app. We're going to give the app a name. It could be PayMeGPT, and the server URL is what we are going to paste in from that previous page. It's just paymegpt.com/MCP. Scroll down, click the checkbox, and click create. All right, now we're at a sign-in page. We're just going to click continue with Google to give ChatGPT access. And now we see that PayMeGPT is connected right here. Now we can scroll down and you can see all of the different actions that we have. We have a total of 75 tools, which is a ton. And now that we've connected, we can go ahead and start using ChatGPT. All right, so now we are in the ChatGPT app. Let's see what we can do. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add PayMeGPT so we can tell ChatGPT to use the tool. We want you to use Gemini to reproduce a graphic of a famous meme, the one that will make most sense, that says ChatGPT can use Gemini to generate images now. We want it to be super funny and recognizable and to be ready to post on social media. Generate the image and show me the link. So what we're doing here is pretty funny. We're using ChatGPT, which has its own native image generation, but we are going to use the ChatGPT agent to talk to Google Gemini's agent to get the task done. So it says it's connecting to the app, and in just a couple seconds, using Nano Banana or Gemini 3.1, we'll have our image. All right, so we've got our image. That's great. Let's do this. All right, let's go ahead and post that on our Twitter and think of a funny one-liner. So now we are going to have ChatGPT actually post the content, which is just mind-blowing. We don't even have to leave the app. Let's confirm access, and we're done. We see we have a link right to the tweet. Plot twist, ChatGPT found the fastest way to become an art director. Gemini, do your thing. That's amazing. So let's take it one step further. That's awesome. Now let's go ahead and let's create a new landing page with, and again, we want to make sure we do use our tool. So we'll call it out. And let's include the graphic you just made with the link to Twitter on this landing page. And also, we want to have a product for sale, and it'll be like a prompt playbook for the best ways to generate money with AI. And it'll be real, and it'll be for sale for $29. Use our Stripe integration to make it work. And so now we're going to send it. And what we're doing here is very, very powerful. We're generating a website with a real product that real people can buy, and we're also including artwork that we made with just a single prompt. So there's so many steps going on. So it's going to add a shop product here. Then we'll see the website be generated. Perfect. Now it's going to generate the website with Stripe checkout confirm. So now we are going to have our website. It's going to include a graphic we just generated with Gemini. It's going to also have a product that we told it to make, and it's going to actually be available for sale. Now, obviously, I would need to have another few sessions to create the product, but this is to give you a good idea of what you can actually done. Everything is in motion. Your product is live. The landing page is being generated with Gemini, and it includes our image, our link to the tweet, and our product wired to Stripe. What happens next? 10 to 30 seconds. Everything's going to be done. All right, we can go ahead and check on the URL. Yep. Can you let me know if it's all set? And so now we'll see if our link is done, and if it is, it'll drop the link and we can check it out. It's live, perfect, and it's all working. Don't you love to see that? So let's go ahead and copy this and check it out. Boom, look at that. Turn AI into consistent income. Look at this. There's our image. There's our Twitter link. This is just one prompt, guys. Here is our way to buy the prompt playbook. So let's do it. put my name and email in there, get instant access. Look at that. The AI Money Prompt Playbook connected to my Stripe. That is legitimately amazing to me. Thanks again so much for watching this video. Hope you liked it. See you next time. Peace.